Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker Desktop in your Windows. So let's start. In your browser, search for Docker install. Click on Install Docker Desktop on Windows. Click on Docker Desktop for Windows and a file will be downloaded. As you can see, I have already downloaded Docker Desktop Installer.exe. Double click on the exe file. Click on Yes to install Docker Desktop. As you can see, the installation has started. Click on OK to add shortcut. It will take a couple of minutes to install Docker Desktop. As you can see, the installation of Docker Desktop is completed, so I can click on Close and Restart. After restarting your system, you can check your Docker version in command prompt to verify it's installed successfully or not. So I have opened command prompt and I will give the command Docker version. As you can see, the Docker version is 29.1.5. So Docker is installed successfully. Let's open the Docker desktop right now. So on the search bar, I will search for Docker desktop. Click on it. As you can see, it is giving a dialog box. Here you have to click on the accept button. Here it is telling to sign in. You can skip it for now. As you can see, Docker Desktop requires the latest version of WSL. So if you see this message, simply update the WSL by opening PowerShell as administrator. So what I will do, I will search for PowerShell. As you can see, this is Windows PowerShell. And you can click on Run as administrator. Yes. And here you can give the command WSL update. You can just copy it from here and open PowerShell. Enter. As you can see, the most recent version of Windows Subsystem for Linux is already installed. So you can close it for now and click on try again. As you can see, Docker Desktop is now fully installed and running. So that's all for this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section if you want a full Docker tutorial or not. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.